Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make butter rusk. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and slice day-old bread evenly. Brush each slice with melted butter and a light sugar sprinkle. Arrange slices on a baking sheet and bake until golden, then flip and bake again until crisp. Let rusks cool fully to achieve maximum crunch. Store in an airtight container to keep them fresh for weeks. In this video, I will show how to make butter rusk. Gather 6 to 8 slices of firm, day-old bread and a simple butter-sugar mixture. Brush both sides of each slice evenly and press any optional spices or zest into the butter so they stick. Arrange slices with space between them to encourage even browning. Bake once to set, then a second gentle bake for crispness, cooling completely before serving. In this video, I will show how to make butter rusk. Start with an initial 350 degrees F bake around 10 to 12 minutes to set the butter, then flip and continue for 8 to 10 minutes to fully dry and crisp the slices. Keep an eye on the oven since slices can brown quickly toward the end. Cool rusks on a wire rack to prevent steam buildup. Store in an airtight jar for crunchy tea time enjoyment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.